Happy morning, children. I'm back with our today's new unit and then day second. What is the name of this unit? Yes, travel to neighboring countries. Hope all are ready with your notebook, workbook, student reader, pencil, eraser, sharpener, etc. Right? Yes. Let us going to see our today's session. Before that, I want you to clap your hands. Now I am going to say numbers. You will clap your hands for that number. Shall we start to do this? Yes. I am going to say the number 3. You just clap your hands for 3 times. Shall we start to clap? Yes. 3, 2, 1. Very good, cuties. Going to say the next number. The number is 5. Shall we start to clap your hands? Yes. Start to clap your hands for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good, cuties. Let us going to see the answers for our yesterday's homework. Be ready with your workbook. Have to open your worksheet 1 and the page number 29. Start countdown. 3, 2, 1, 0. Good. Hope all are ready with your workbook. Let us going to see the answers for our yesterday's homework. Look at the second question. Yes, yesterday I going to say I saw instruct you to do this second question. From look at the picture, you have to answer this question. What is the picture mostly about in this blank given? If you completed this worksheet means, second question means you just copy, make a self correction with this. If you didn't complete means you just copy the answers in your workbook. I give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Hope you all completed this. If you didn't complete means you just pause the video after completing our session and then copy in your workbook. Let us move to our today's session, phonics. Next you have to open your SR1 and the page number 30. I start countdown. 3, 2, 1, 0. Very good, cuties. Let us going to revise our blend sounds we already learnt in our previous class. Blends. Can you remember this blend sound? What blend is this? Br, br, bread, br. You must point out with your finger and then read along with me. Br, bread. Say loudly. Br, bridge. What is this? Br, bridge. Look at the next word. Br, brick. Br, brick. Br, brown. Listen to me carefully and then read aloud. Br, brown. Br, brag. Br, brat. Br, brat. Br, brim. Br, brim. Br, bran. Br, bran. Look at the next blend sound. Touch with your finger. Kr, crown. Just point out with your finger and then read along with me. Crown. Crayon. Crayon. Cricket. Cricket. Crow. Crow. Crab. Crab. Craig. Craig. What is this? Craig. Crag. Crag. Say loudly. Crag. Cram. Cram. Now I am going to show you one word. We just going to read the word by segmenting the words into beginning, middle and then end. Shall we start? Yes. Just look at the first one. Look at the first word. I know the sounds. I know that sounds. But I don't know how to read this word. Yes. Look at the first blend sound. For this, we're going to find out the beginning, middle and then end sounds. And then by using shoulder to hand method, try to read this word by joining all the sounds together. Look at the first blend sound. Look at the first blend sound. What is the first blend sound and beginning sound? Kr. Can you find? Kr. Very good. Kr. What is the middle sound? Kr is the beginning blend sound. And what is the middle sound? A. A. Say along with me. A. And what is the end sound? G. G. By joining all these sounds together, now we are going to read this word. Kr. A. G. Kr. A. G. Kr. A. G. Crag. By little faster, join all the sounds. Crag. Say along with me. Crag. Crag. Like this, you have to find out the beginning blend sound and then middle sound and then end sound. And finally, join all the sounds together and then try to read the word. Look at the second word. I give you 3 seconds to read this word. You will try yourself to read this word. I give you 5 seconds. Shall I start to count down? Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Hope you all try to read this word. Yes. Now we are going to read this word. Listen to me carefully. What is the beginning blend sound of this word? Yes. Br. Br. Say again. Br. And what is the middle sound? A. A. End sound? T. T. By little faster, you join all these sounds together. Br. A. T. Br. A. T. Brat. Brat. Say again. Brat. Again. Brat. Hope you all understand this. Let us going to see next session. Okay, cuties. Next, I want all of you to open SR24. SR24 and the page number 53. Shall I start countdown? Yes, 3, 2, 1, 0. I'm going to recap the words from our previous level. Yesterday we saw some words. Today we're going to see the next 5 words. You just point out with your finger and then read along with me. How. Say the word how. Just point out with your finger and then say it loudly. How. How. There. 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 See. See. I see a bird. See. Next. Next. You are the next. Get. Get. Try to get more marks. Get. Get. Again, I'm going to revise these words in screen. Listen to the words carefully. Say the word how. Say loudly. How. How are you? How are you? How. There. There. Say loudly. There. See. 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 Next. Next. Get. 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 I'm going to introduce some new whole words. Look at the word ma. Today going to introduce 3 words. We're going to see 3 new whole words. Just look at the word. There is an arrow mark from left to right. You just follow the arrow mark and then say the word. Listen to me carefully. Again. Say along with me. Again. Again. What is this? Again. Again. You must write the words again. Say it again. Again. Let us see the next word. Look at the next word, ma. Which. Listen to me carefully. Which. Say along with me. Which. 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 Which is our country? Which. Repeat it again. Which. Let us go into see the next word. Cannot. Cannot. Repeat it again. Cannot. Cannot. Let us see these new words in our CRL. Listen to this carefully. New words. Which. Which. You just point out with your finger and then read the word. Which. Which country is this? Repeat it again. Which country is this? You have to fill this word. Yes, which. Which color do you like the most? Which color do you like the most? Which. Let us see the next word. Again. Again. He looks at the map again and thinks again. Can you read this? Which word you have to fill in this blank? Can you guess the word? Yes, good. Can you read this again? Again. Look at the next word. Cannot. Cannot. I cannot fly and go to these places. Cannot. Which word you have to fill in this blank, ma? Guess the word. Good. I cannot go with you there. Cannot. Repeat it again. Cannot. Hope you understand these new words. You just go through these words again in your SR 24. Let us see the next session. Next, all are be ready with your worksheet 1 and the page number 29. Now I am going to show you a story in CRL. You just go through the story and then you have to predict what I predict. Which line in the story says that. You just pause the video and then you try to find out, predict for this first question with the help of the story in CRL. Going to show the story. Yes, you just listen to the story carefully. Look at the screen. Kia's favorite food. The title of the story is Kia's favorite food. Who is Kia? Yes, this girl. Name of the girl is Kia. Going to read the story. You just go through the story as your own. Kia wanted to eat her favorite noodles. Her mother made noodles for her. Kia wanted to eat her favorite noodles. Her mother made noodles for her. What will happen next? You have to predict what will happen next. Kia want to eat her favorite noodles. Her mother made noodles for her, right? Yes, after that, what will happen? You just predict as yourself and then fill it in your workbook. I give you 3 seconds to complete this. 3, 2, 1, 0. If you didn't complete means after the session you have to complete this first question. Worksheet 1 first question. Just look at the second slide. Yes. After that she sat when her mother prepared the noodles. She sat on the table, right? She was ready to eat with the chopsticks. Just when she was about to eat it, Sonu comes there to meet her. You will predict what will happen next. She sat on the table. She was ready to eat with the chopsticks. Just when she was about to eat it, Sonu comes there to meet her. What will happen next? Yes, look at this page. You just predict what will happen next and then fill it in your worksheet 1, question number 1. First question. I give you 3 seconds to predict it and then fill it. 3, 2, 1, 0. Look at the second slide. Yes, Sonu looks at the noodles. He has a big smile on his face. He too likes noodles. Yes. With the help of this story, you just predict and predict your own, and then you have to complete the worksheet 1, question number 1. Tomorrow we will see the answers for this question. Let us move to the next session. Next, turn the next page, worksheet 2 and the page number 30. I start countdown. 3, 2, 1, 0. Look at the first question. There are some sentences given with some underlined words. Just look at the sentences, and these sentences, some words are get underlined, right? Yes. We have to write them in the correct column. Before the sentence, after sentence, there are 3 columns are given: noun, verb, and then subject. You just find out noun in each sentence, and then find out the verb in each sentence, and then subject from each sentence. You have to fill in this column, right? Now we're going to show you one model. Look at the first subpart question A. Mohan jumped in the garden. Again, Mohan jumped in the garden. First you have to think about this first underlined word. What is this? Mohan, right? This is the name of a person. That means noun. Noun, right? Noun is also known as subject. So that Mohan is a noun and also subject. You have to write this Mohan. You just copy this word Mohan, both noun and also in subject column. Mohan is a noun and also subject, right? Yes. Now we have to read this next word. What is the next word? Jumped, right? Jumped. The word jumped is a action word, right? Yes. So that action word is also called as verb. Right, ma? Can you understand? Yes, jumped is also known as verb. So that you have to fill this jumped in verb column. Like this, you have to complete these remaining questions. You have to fill in this column as noun, verb, and then subject. Today we have to see our answers for this. You just do your own. Look at the screen. Look at this. Words are given. This is a sentence. Yes, these are jumbled sentence. The sentence below is jumbled. Jumbled means not written correctly. What should the correct sentence be? You have to complete this sentence with the help of making the sentence to be correct. Yes. What is the verb and then subject in this sentence? Look at this. What is the subject and then verb? The subject is the name of a person, right? Yes. The girl. The girl is a subject. What is this? Subject means name of a person, so that the girl is the subject in this sentence. And then verb. Verb is eating. And then verb in this sentence is eating. Right? The girl is the subject. Say along with me. The girl is a subject. And then verb eating. Eating is a verb. Like this, we have to make a sentence by the help of subject and then verb. Let's look at the one more example. Look at the first picture. One picture is given. Below that, some jumbled sentence is given. You have to look at these sentences and then you have to make this as a correct sentence with the help of sentence, subject and then verb. What is the subject in this sentence? Can you find the subject in this sentence? The boy. Very good. The boy is the subject. So that it is the name of a person. The boy is a subject. And then what is the verb in this subject? Verb means action word. Yes, good. Playing. Playing is the action word. So that the boy is playing football. Like this, try to make this correct sentence from this jumbled sentence. I give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. Just look at the answers. Yes, the boy is playing football because the boy is the subject and playing is the verb. So that we use the boy and then the boy is playing football. Like this we have to make the sentence. Here the girl is a subject, has is a verb. So that the girl has. Next object, an umbrella. So that the girl has an umbrella. Like this we have to make the sentence. Okay children, in our last class we had written a story based on our pictures, right? Like this, you too complete your story in your notebook. Have you finished? Yes. Today we will look at the picture and we will try to guess what will happen next. Just hold on. Now you have to open your worksheet 1, second question and also ready with your notebook. You just look at the picture and then guess what will happen next. Look at the characters. Look at the characters and then you already wrote in your workbook. The picture is mostly about children learning about animals, right? You have to guess what will happen next. With the help of this picture, you make a prediction and then what will happen next and write in your notebook. You just do it in your notebook and then send it in your WhatsApp group. Now we have to complete our today's session. You have to read practice words from SR1, BR and then CR words. Again and then you have to complete this worksheet 2 first question in your workbook. You just finished it and then send it in your WhatsApp group. Okay cuties, going to see. Let us see you tomorrow. All of you take care. Thank you. Bye.